But when you think about investment returns, and really it's in any asset class, it's not just real estate, you have to compare what the upside is, so your reward versus the risk premium. And this is pretty foundational in all of finance. And usually the risk premium is the difference between what you stand to make in this opportunity versus that of a 10-year or 2-year treasury, right? And so the 10-year or 2-year treasury note is somewhere between a 4 and 5% return. And so if I'm making 12% on an opportunity, then really I'm paying 7, or I'm getting paid 7% for that premium of risk. Now in real estate, it's arguably riskier. And so you should see returns in the 15 to 20% range. Up and through 2019 through 2022, a lot of sponsors and GPs were offering 20, 25, 30%. I am one of them. Generally 18 to 23% in our return profiles. And we're one of the least risky sponsors out there. Part of that is because the market has been, accustomed to earning 16, 18, 20% returns on real estate. I can tell you that deals that are above the 20% range, it's very hard to maintain profits and still give investors that return. So just by nature, it's just hard to make more than 20% IRRs on your deals. But yet that became the standard. Going into 2024, I think it's harder than 2023, 2022, and probably 2021 to make 20% plus IRRs. Doesn't mean it's impossible. It obviously is the right projects, it's the right sponsors, the right locations, but with cost of capital being higher by 1 to 3 points across the board, naturally profits come down. I think the name of the game through 2024 and probably 2025, if you're in multifamily, if you're in commercial office, is probably to get your money back and then a little bit on top. That would be a win for many sponsors and many investors. If you're in what we do, which is land development and flex industrial warehouse, then our margins are still strong and we're still able to offer those mid to high teens and in some cases low 20s. But across the board, no investor should be expecting this to be an easy ride in the next 12 to 18 months. If you're making 14 to 18% annualized returns on your real estate, you're doing very well.